Alright, this is a very quick demo of data scraping using Google Maps via n8n or through n8m. So it's a very simple system. Here is a quick Google Sheet where I'll be pasting a URL, and based on that it will trigger our n8n workflow. Once our n8n workflow is activated, it will do the scraping via SERP API. It will go through any kind of errors and figure out what are the errors, remove some empty values, transform data in right format, and again publish or push it in this sheet again in the second tab, result tab, and then updates the status to success right here. So this is the quick flow. Let's try doing that. So I'm just opening Google Maps and I'll do a search for, instead of Conway, I'll just say apartment building in Little Rock, Arkansas. Let's do a search. Here is the Little Rock and it is showing some results, I'm sure. So I'll just copy this URL, I'll paste it, not like this, I'll just paste it like the entire URL. It is there. So currently the trigger is, the frequency of your trigger is per hour, so I will not be waiting for an hour, so that's why I'll just simply will click on test workflow. As you can see, it has activated and all the things are happening. It is extracting all the data. It is going as a loop for 3-4 times until all the data is fetched, and once it is done, it is going for a really long loop. 8 times this loop has already done a circle. 10, 11, 12. So once this is done, it will polish the data and push it into this page. So let's see. Alright, it has done the loop 13 times. Now it is merging. As I can see, it is adding rows in the Google Sheet and updating status to success. Oh yeah, let's see. Let me refresh this page so that the data is pushed, and let's see. So initially the results were only 77 till Deadwood Apartments. Now it is showing, what was our search result? It is showing Little Rock. Let me search Little Rock then. Alright, so everything from here is the Little Rock data here. So hope you like this quick demo. Thank you. Bye bye.